In this episode, we are going to be talking about the side lay. It's one of my favorite poses, and it's so easy, you guys. I'm going to take you into the studio where I'm going to show you with a stand-in baby how to transition from a very simple wrap pose into the side lay, and we're going to walk through all the steps. If we haven't met, I'm Lisa from Milk and Honey Photography and the Milky Way, and I inspire, empower, and educate newborn photographers just like you to create the business, art, and lives of their dreams. Welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me today. So today we are going to be talking about a side lay and actually going through the simple aspects of it. Now, it's really one of my favorite and my most simple poses. It's really well requested, and really, you guys, once you get the hang of it, it is really so easy. So the way I like to start is from the pose that we have created in our last video, which is just the simple side lay where we've got baby on its side, still wrapped. Now what we're going to do is slowly extract baby here, just sort of raising booty up and out. So we've got our baby in a lovely side, or almost side lay, but we're wanting to extract the feet. So I want to share with you just a really easy way. I always just like to gently, slowly remove these and from underneath baby. And sort of scooch baby up, making sure that we're always spotting, and just get that little tushy out. So from this pose, I always like to go into a transition into a side lay. It's so easy. You've already got yourself set up in the front. All you need to do is just rearrange your legs. And so basically we're just kind of getting baby on its side into that side lay position. And what we're looking for is are those feet nice and pointed together. Sometimes babies will cross them over like that. It's super cute. I like to take all sorts of different variations of this. What also looks really neat is if you can do it so it's all straight on, so it's all the same distance from the camera. That means that the background's going to be blurred, but the front won't be. What we're going to be doing is we're actually just going to move baby's bottom half away from the camera. So what will happen is when we take our images, we will be getting, if we're shooting fairly wide open, you're going to be focusing on baby's face here. So if you're at, like, say, f1.8, f2, you're going to be getting this beautiful blur. Baby's body will blur out. And the more that you have baby turned away, and the feet and the booty further away and the feet away, the more blur that you're going to be getting across that body. And it's a really, really simple, easy, beautiful result. So another variation is if you take this piece of cheesecloth and you drape it across baby and have it trailing behind. When you have that beautiful blur behind them, it's going to create this beautiful, beautiful result, and just a really nice variation that you can add for this pose. You can also add hats, you can add headbands, all sorts of different things, and also making sure that you're taking all sorts of different angles. So I hope this helps you. I know that it's going to be able to help you create a huge variety for your clients, doing some very simple movements with baby. If you haven't already hit subscribe, make sure you do so you don't miss a single trick, tip, or tutorial. Thank you so much for watching this episode, and I'll see you in the next one where we talk about some aerial shots on the beanbag. Talk to you soon.